The Set Elevation tool sets the elevations of the selected objects. If they're a polyline, very simple, it sets their elevation. But if it's a line, it's going to change the start and end Z of the line to the specified elevation. If it's an arc, it's going to change the center Z of that object to the set elevation. So let's go ahead and use the Set Elevation tool. We'll select these 4 objects. And we're going to type in, after I end the selection, we'll set a new elevation of 100. Now one of the options, notice, is to match. We'll use that match tool in a minute. I'm going to set the new elevation to 100. And you'll see that the polyline now has the elevation set to 100. The lines have their same matching Z's. And the arc has now a center Z that matches the same. So it doesn't convert objects into polylines if they're not polylines already, but it does set the elevations to whatever the specified elevation is depending on the object. Now we have a polyline out here that has an elevation of 200. So let's go ahead and use the Set Elevation tool again. We're going to select those same 4 objects, press enter, and I'm going to choose to match the elevation this time. We'll select the polyline to match, and notice it says 4 object elevations were changed to 200. So I'm going to select, and you'll notice now the values match the selected 200 elevation of that polyline. So it's a great way to, especially if you're working in 3D, even if it's, let's say, civil and you're doing some manual contours, and it's a great way to work and set those elevations. So that's really where that tool came from. Some were using polylines for contours and we're needing to set elevations along the way. Some point to match with cleaning up a drawing where there might be polylines used for contours or lines and arcs. The Set Elevation tool came into existence for that, but can be used for so many other benefits, especially when working in 3D.